it is a CNG auto rickshaw. Wow, it's 2 seat and another driving seat. Nice, it is a nice toy. It's a really nice toy. Wow, it is small, it is a very small car. Wow, red color, small car. Wow, looking so beautiful. Wow, nice. Wow, it is another TATA dump truck. Wow, it's yellow color, 4 big tires. Wow, nice. Red and green color soda can. Wow, racing car. It's number 32. Wow, it's very nice. It's very nice toy. Wow, it's very nice. Wow, it is a small car. Wow, racing V2 small car. It's a super racing car. Wow, it's very nice. Wow, it is a minibus. Wow, it is a minibus. Wow, it is a excavator. Wow, excavator. Wow, it is a little construction excavator. Wow, it's working hard. So amazing. Wow, it's very nice. Yellow and red combination excavator. Wow, very nice. And it is a big yellow color excavator. It's very nice, looking very gorgeous. It is a very beautiful toy. It is a very beautiful construction. Wow, it's a big car. Wow, nice, colorful toy. Wow, it's 360 rotate. 360-degree rotation. Wow, it's a big excavator tractor. It's not a single excavator, it is an excavator tractor. Wow, nice. It is another yellow color auto rickshaw. It is a CNG auto rickshaw. Nice toy, lovely color. Wow, very beautiful toy, very nice. Wow, it is army tank. Boom, boom. Wow, nice army tank. Wow, its power so dangerous. Wow, it is another army tank, and it is a yellow color Ford racing car. Wow, its design so amazing. Nice toy. Thank you guys. Please like and subscribe. Bye.